Alright, my people, Father's Day, dinner time. Big up, my peeps, big up. So, I say, so we have some cinnamon chicken. Father's Day, dinner time. Cinnamon chicken, you can see. Hey guys, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen recipe for today. We're going to add some cinnamon chicken. You can see the cinnamon right here. You have the vinegar to wash chicken, right? We have some juice, we have pine, cucumber, and ginger. We have some peas with garlic, also pimento. Black peas, you can see some garlic, pimento, and ginger. So all of these are my spice. My spice here, you can see onion and pepper, thyme, scallion, Irish, bell pepper, garlic, coconut. I put in rice and peas. You can see Irish here, big fat man pepper, and I see season them here also. Recipe for today, some cinnamon chicken. Recipe I go eatable, tasteable. So please like and share. Starting by washing the chicken, right? And vinegar and water. Remove the waste of the chicken, right? Take out the fat like these. Yeah, my people, some chicken clean up and ready there. Say pretty clean, or strong with vinegar, water, and thing and clean up, right? Alright, so I'm going to show you how I season up my chicken now, right? Step by step. Starting by adding the season to my chicken, right? And my Father's Day cooking it. So we have some garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, onion, zit, and some onions. We'll add it to the chicken, right? And by cinnamon chicken, you know. We have some cinnamon leaf and stick here. Add it to the chicken also. So we're going to add a little more season to the chicken, right? So we're going to mustard. Remember, cinnamon chicken. Starting by covering the chicken, right? 7 hours, sorry, 7 hours. my people, cinnamon chicken ready and you know. Yeah man, outside Jamaican cooking it lumberjack. Cinnamon chicken, remember outside. Recipe ready and gravy rich and thick. You know people see? Cinnamon chicken ready. Remember Jamaican cooking it lumberjack, like and share. Alright my people, Father's Day dinner time. Big up my peeps, big up. So I say, so we have some cinnamon chicken. Father's Day dinner time. Cinnamon chicken, you can see. We have rice and peas, black peas, we have some cucumber, fried plantain, lumberjack dinner time. We have some star fruit and ginger and cucumber over here. So you know it's Father's Day dinner time. Big up all of the fathers them. You hear that? Big up on yourself outside. Here my people see cinnamon chicken ready here. You know say Father's Day dinner time, you know. Yeah man, lumberjack dinner time, you know. Cinnamon leaf, huh? Nice. The chicken a different flavor, you know.